Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report exploring the latest dev build, and that's the build 22593 for the dev and beta channels. So make sure to update your PC if you want to test this build. So what's up with this one? Well, this build is all about better management and organizing your daily tasks on Windows 11, which is super cool. But without further ado, let's just jump to the latest changes and improvements brought with this build. The first change happens to the Windows plus X context menu. Now, if you press this key combination, Windows Terminal will show up in the context menu if it's installed. Otherwise, if it's uninstalled, it will only display Windows PowerShell. If you didn't know this, Windows Terminal is not the same as PowerShell, but it includes both PowerShell and Command Prompt with multiple instances. Moving on to File Explorer, which also got some changes done. Now when you open File Explorer, you will see that the default page of File Explorer is now called Home. It's a minor change, but hopefully will make you feel like home. As well, the name Quick Access has been repurposed. That means it will show up for your pinned or frequent folders, and the pinned files section is now called Favorites. This is more to align these sections with the structures of Office and OneDrive. Still related to the pinned files, they are now searchable using the search box in File Explorer even if they're not local files. So you can find Office files recently shared with you. Now how cool is that? Basically this integrates File Explorer with the many other platforms from Microsoft. Next in the line of improvements, Microsoft Journal is now pinned by default on the pen menu. So if you're using one of these pens to sketch or snip or simply write, the Journal app is now included in that menu. But remember that the app might not be installed by default, so make sure to get it from the Microsoft Store. Moving on with a helpful feature, if you now press the Windows plus Z key combo to open Snap layouts, all the layouts will now show associated numbers. That means you can directly use the number keys to select the desired layout. That's super cool and makes your shortcuts easier than ever. And lastly, another change that was made to Windows 11 relates to Windows security. As some of you might know, Windows 11 brought a new feature called Memory Integrity, which is designed to prevent any attacks from inserting malicious code into processes that are high security in nature. You can find this feature in Windows Security by clicking on Device Security on the left pane and then selecting the Core Isolation category on the right pane. So from these recent insider builds, Microsoft seems to start notifying the user that this feature is currently off. So you can just turn it on to make sure you got the best security against malicious attacks. And that's pretty much it. Leaving aside a few minor changes, this is what the build 22593 brought us for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as usual feel free to like and subscribe to our channel for more quality news and content. Thank you.